Hi guys, Cindy here. So today in this video, I ordered this off Macari and we're gonna try it out. My first impression, and I mean, I'll probably love it. I hadn't worn green in ages. So let's go ahead and open it. It's still got the sticker up here. It looked like it had been swatched, but it still had this little sticker. So we'll take that off. Got it for a good deal. Open it. So this looks like inside, and it still had this plastic. It looks like it's been swatched a little bit, but not used. So I don't know why someone would swatch it. Maybe they made videos or something, but maybe they just decided they didn't need it. I don't have a clue why someone would buy a palette and just swatch it and not use it. So, okay, we're gonna get started. Now I got everything out today. Don't have to do so much hunting. Got my hair done first, so I won't have to do that. Which some of the hair videos I like doing, but not all of them. So we're just gonna start off with, and I got on a green top to wear it. We're gonna start off with this kind of light green. Just we don't have a clue what we're doing. Ooh, that's kind of dark. That might not have been a good idea. Let's kind of take that off a little bit. Lighten it up. That was darker than I thought. A little bit of water. Shouldn't have used that big brush. Anyway, so y'all getting an honest review. I mean, it's not really a review because I'm sure I'll love it, and probably no one really cares about mine. It's just a try on. I'm just this little moisturizer putting on my eyes after doing that scrubbing. It's vitamin C that I got at Sam's. I might buy it again. I have no idea. I had been buying some kind of 7-in-1 stuff. But I thought, well, I need to be using up my old stuff because I paid for it. So we're not going to do that again. Let's brush off too. So, what's this? Oh, that's got kind of a green shimmer to it. I don't know if you can see it. It looks white, but it's green. You can't see it there. You might can see that. Okay, so we're not doing that again. Let's go ahead and use a small brush. And we can use that, just not with that big brush. So we're just going to put a little bit on this time. And that one was this one here that we're trying. And this is the first time I've ever used this. So we're just kind of experimenting as we go. It kind of looks like it matches my top a little bit. And we're by no means going to use all these colors. Here's a turquoise one that looks good. Here's a dark green one that looks good. I'm really not into these. These look like these are kind of fallish colors. You know, on my lashy box, I got something that was similar. I wasn't really digging it, so. So, let's take the turquoise, because my top's kind of turquoisey. Now, I don't know how I'm going to make a short out of this video, because we're just going to put it at the edge. Because I'm not in the center. We'll see. I do want to make shorts. So, we'll put this back at the front. Okay. Now then, we're not going to get too wild and crazy. Take my little angle brush. I can do, let's do this dark green hair over in the corner. This one right here. Kind of do the top. I kind of always do my eyes the same style, just different colors. Some of these gold tones and stuff, I don't know how I like that. That's probably good for the fall. Okay, so now to give it a little bit of sparkle, they got one here in the middle here. It's got look like some shimmer. So let's go ahead and use that. Put that on top of what we just did. Let's look here in this violet mirror for a second, see how we like this. So, that one kind of shimmer color that's white here, we're going to put that in the corner a little bit. Drop these brushes off. We're going to, first, we're going to put a little bit more shimmer here. I'm not seeing much of it. So these are just all kinds of shades of green. It's just whatever you think that you'll like. Okay. Now, we said we wanted to use this. I'm going to put it in the corner. It's kind of got a green cast to it. So I'm not going to put it on top of my eye. I'm going to use some flesh colored powder for that. I'm not going to do it a little bit this way. But I don't know that I want to go all the way to the top of my eyebrow with that. So we used a bunch of these colors. They've got a real dark green one. Maybe we'll try this one. They've got a real dark one here. It looks almost black. We're going to darken this up a little bit. To get a little sparkle. Yeah, I like that. I don't know if anyone else will, but I like it. So we're shutting this up now. We're going to wipe off our brushes and see if we can just kind of blend this in a little bit. Okay, let's try this again. Look again. What do y'all think? Now, let's work on the eyes. I found me some Ruby May lashes that I had picked up. I don't know, I had them in my stash, and I already cut them, but they're brand new. I already trimmed them this morning, so we don't have to do that. And I got my supplies here. This is that Zola lash liner that we got in the lashy box. This color mirror. Yeah, that was a mistake. Trying to do that without the mirror. See, I messed up. Anyway, it won't be noticeable when I get the lashes on. I was trying to do it without the mirror because my hand gets in the way and y'all can't see. Let's try this side. See, can y'all see? Okay. Now this next one, we're not even going to try without the mirror. So. This is my Kiss. I ordered me some clear lip Kiss, so I could go either way. Now, we're going to use the mirror. We're not even going to try. Get that on good. Like that Silver Lash adhesive, you know, it seems kind of dry to me. I'll be honest. I seriously doubt it would even stick. Let's get this. I don't know if these were still considered soft glam or not. So I did cut them. Now we're going to try to put them on. I think I'm going to use a mirror after the... I'm kind of gun shy now. After what we did before. Trying to wiggle these up. We better use the mirror. Let's look at it. For some reason, this eye, I never get to the edge, which we don't want to the edge. That would bug me. But sometimes it's a little bit far from the edge. And then the other one, I always get it way far to the edge. I don't know. It's just different. Better not do that. Okay, this should be on there really good. So we're gonna use the mirror. I used to line both of the eyes and then try to do this real quick. And sometimes it works out okay, but then sometimes, you know, one eye's just a little bit dry. Okay. Lashes just make all the difference in the world. I used to use mascara. I've only been using lashes probably about 4 years. It took about a year to kind of learn to put them on. And that's doing it every single day. This one's okay. It's a little bit closer to the center. Like, see this one here, I always never get as close to the center as this one. And I don't know, it's every single time. So, let's finish this eye look up. So, I'm just going to take some white and lay down underneath it. It's not really white, it's sort of a pinky, whitey color. I was kind of worried about this, all that green at first, but the lashes just really made the difference. Oh, we need some highlighter too. Highlighter's right underneath it. Okay, I hope I can get enough clips out of this for a short. Now, let's do a little bit of foundation. Rinse my hands. I don't think I'm going to do any editing on this because I do a lot of editing whenever I do the whole thing. That's because, but I was real good about getting ready first. I mean, getting the hair and the clothes on, so I shouldn't have to do any cutting. That way it'll go up quicker. And then I can go ahead and start working on my short. So for those that stayed along this long, I'll tell you a little secret. Well, it's not a big secret. I'm getting a lip lift Thursday. So maybe Thursday morning I might do a skincare video, but I'm not putting on any makeup. And I'm taking off Thursday and Friday, and of course Saturday and Sunday. And then I will go back to work Monday. I'll probably still have stitches, but a lot of the redness and swelling will be gone. Now let's do our little blush that we've been using lately. Kind of buildable, but it's kind of light, you know. And remember in the old days, we used to look like a clown with bright red. Oh, and I've even done it recently too. Let me get some powder. Okay, so I'm not cutting that out either. I seriously doubt it. It takes longer to process and stuff, and I'm already trying to do a short, so. Y'all watch out for the short. How about a little bit more highlighter on top of our cheek? That's just this one. And this here, I got that from Dollar General. I like that. And I did find some other highlighter palettes. I just... I keep sticking to that one. Well, a lot of them have kind of got color on them or something. And so this is the way we're wearing our hair today. Instead of, it's getting long enough that I don't need the bangs. So, and this is the way it turned out. I really like it curlier than this, but I kind of took it out early so I could do the video. See what it looks like in the back. I haven't looked at it yet. For some odd reason, my hair feels a lot better on wash day than it does on day 2, even if I don't put a whole lot of stuff in it. Now it's time for lipstick. This is a L'Oreal, kind of a nude lip balm. That's what I bought it as. Okay, let me try to get a video. Let's get some for the shorts and for the thumbnail. I'll see you guys later. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.